Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. In the last video, we did some about navigation. I taught you about two different types of navigation present in Flutter. So in this video, we are going to do the basic like list view, so that you can display unlimited number of lists and even have a scrollable, make it scrollable. But you can based on this project, you can start building other projects like news app and all. So let's get started. So in the last video, we had left till here where we were able to go to another page and we could see there our friends and their date of birth. So now one thing what we have to do is we'll make first we'll try to store the values over here and store it in an array. In the coming videos, we'll try to make it a list view so that you can pass it to the screen, and in the screen you will be able to display the list of birthdays. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So in the previous video itself, we had done till a part where we were able to take the inputs. We had already given assigned controllers for both text for like the name and the date of birth. So in this video, we are going to write our function where we'll do some activity based on the stick. So in that, uh, so first let's console log both the inputs, print both the inputs. So we have name dot what is the controller name. Okay. So this is the data we are going to console log it. So for that, let's give an input. Hello. Let's give it a word called hello. And date, let's put some random date. It should be a number. So it will be 21 by, it should be 8 digits because we have given that as a formatter. Two. So once we start getting input over here, let's give another input like time. So let's type it randomly bgg, and let's give a date 21/09/2000. Wish me happy birthday. You can see that we have taken the input ggg and 2180. Since we are console logging, we are able to see it. So now the another important thing is like we have to pass this, or we have to store this in an array. So for that, we'll create an array or a list. It is going to contain, it is going to take two inputs. So we'll have two lists. One is name, okay, one is string. Both are string basically. So, and we'll create another list. We'll see over here what are the two things we need. So yeah, we need date and friend's name. So for those, we are going to create two lists. So in this screen, we have to do some minor changes so that we can start recording, getting the data. All you have to do is to extract the data, map string called comma dynamic. There's a specific data type called dynamic, which is like any data type. We're going to call it as R. So it is going to be a model route dot of context dot settings dot arguments as map. Yeah, it is very important that we do a typecasting in this, because there may, like, it is not sure that it will be of the same type. Okay, it is telling us to do unconditional. We have changed it once. Now let's string name. It is very similar to destructuring. What you, if you are done with JavaScript, you know it is very similar to JavaScript destructuring. So see, we have given name, so we here also we have to give name. So here also we have to give name, and similarly we have given date, so here also we have to give a date, the same name, and we'll remove all the other contents and just run, and that just will be name and date. So that's all. Now let's go back to the main screen. We have compiled it, so let's check if the value is coming. So you can see that value is coming. So this is all for this video. In this next video, we are going to take this input, store it in a list value, and this value will be displaying it in a list so that you can remember the values. So until then, keep watching the video, keep learning. Until next video, goodbye.